Yeah, everyone is.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Benani. You get Uganda? Thank you so much, Henry, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Prima Kadash. A reality TV star. I work on TV now on Makula TV Chika. I'm a mother to Geosteady's 2 girls and a businesswoman. So, first of all, I would like to thank God for George. I remember last year was not a good year for Joe. It was, a bit hard. And I want to thank everyone before I say anything. Geosteady. I want to thank Mr. Humphrey Nabimanya. Thank you so much for being a good family member and a friend for Geosteady. Thank you so much, Hindu. Yeah, thank you so much for standing for George. Can I talk, please? Respectively. Yeah. Respectively. So please listen to my speech if you want me to talk. Over, I sit. Should I Mumaso? No. Yeah. I would love to thank him again. Thank you so much, Mr. Geosteady. Yes, I believe watch to because maybe try to never treat him and being it your exes, of course, I know. So, neighbors and Yaba Era or Nakoraledo, never some come to Seko, because this is like God giving Geosteady a second chance. Nizokwanga sali physically, but I was there in prayer and I was always praying to God. Wabampa the second chance because I believe He gave me a second chance on Kampala Cream, and we're having a new season coming next month. We are filming, so God gave me a second chance, and no more to wabampa the second chance. Please give it to the father of my children because I want the best for my kids. And neighbors come and Yawa George a second comeback, and this concert is not just a concert. We are celebrating Geosteady's life. We are celebrating Geosteady's comeback, and then Abagalana. If you have someone you love, family, your woman, your man, this is like a day for you because Geosteady portrays love. So the day is gonna be beautiful. Please come through. Abatanagula table, please buy tickets. Let's support George. Let's celebrate him because they go into depression or and they don't get a comeback. So if God has given you this chance, please, we are grateful and we are here to support you. I'm supporting George because I am celebrating his comeback. Amen. Social media because I wanted people to buy his tickets. And I'm going to support him. Anything you want, please, I am here.
Yeah. Okay, now seriously, thank you for that mature speech. Yeah, very mature speech from Prima, and we appreciate the support for being able to put everything aside and making sure that you are there for the person. Yeah, so we really do appreciate. Now, abasinga tumaze okwogera. I think it's only fair if we hear from Geosteady himself. Yeah. Tuwulire what this day means for him. Prima has been talking about a comeback, which means concert here is not just any ordinary concert for him. It's a huge statement, it's a huge celebration, and George, we're going to be celebrating you. So tell us what this day means for you, what this day means to you, what you never have a camera. We're not timing. Yeah, so Geosteady, respectfully, we are here for you and we want to hear from you.